Hi, Wagwan, it's Leeka. If you're new here, then go ahead and press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. Here on my channel, I focus on sewing tutorials, fashion videos, and here and there I'll have some motherhood lifestyle videos. If you're an old subscriber, then thank you for tuning in. I've been doing some summer beginner friendly videos, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make this top that I am wearing. So go ahead and grab your drink, get comfortable, whatever you gotta do, and let's get in the tutorial. Alright, welcome back. To get started, first I'm going to take my bust measurement, and to do that I'm going to take the tape measure, wrap it around my bust area, and see what that measures to. I got 32, then I'm going to divide that by 2, which is 16, and then I can go ahead and cut out the back. Then I'm going to leave an extra ½ inch for seam allowance. So you just want to go ahead and cut out 16.5 for the back. The height is totally up to you. For me, I did 10 inches. Okay, now let's talk about the front piece. So the back was 16. So for the front, I'm going to use 16 as well, divided by 2 and got 8. Since I wanted to have a little opening in the front, I'm not going to leave any seam allowance. I'm just going to cut it as is. So as you can see now, I'm cutting 2 8x10 pieces. Once I have those 3 pieces, I'm going to go ahead and sew them together along the 10-inch side. After that, double roll the top and sew it down. After that, I'm going to double roll the side pieces as well, leaving in about a ½ inch opening in order to insert my strap. For the straps, I did about 36 inches in length, but wish I did them a little bit longer, so you may want to adjust that. So I'm just using my safety pin here. I'm going to insert starting from the top. I'm going to pull that through, then insert on the other side from the bottom up. That was super easy for you guys. If you had any more questions, then go ahead and put it in the comment box below, or hit me up on Instagram. My personal page is Leeka J, which is LEEKAJAI, and my sewing page is ThatssewLeeka. Bye guys.